In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva design to your constant contact email. If you want your emails to look polished without spending hours on design, this workflow is perfect. We'll start inside Constant Contact, move into Canva to build or grab a design, bring it back into your email, refine the layout and links, and finish with a thorough preview so you're confident before sending. Begin by opening Constant Contact and either creating a new email or opening one you've already started. Once you're in the email editor, look for the Canva option. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the toolbar or as an insert option in the sidebar. Click it. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to connect your Canva account. Approve the connection, and you'll be taken right into the Canva interface without leaving your email draft. Inside Canva, you can select an existing design from your projects or start a new one. If you're creating from scratch, aim for a clean, email-friendly layout. Keep important text large, maintain good contrast, and leave some breathing room near the edges so it looks great on mobile. Use your brand colors and fonts for consistency and avoid cramming too much copy into the image. Save detailed text for the email body where it's easier to read. When you're happy with the design, choose the option to publish or import it back to Constant Contact. The design will appear in your email as an image block. Give it a moment to upload and then click on the image to fine-tune its placement. You can drag it to a different section, adjust spacing, and align it so it anchors your message visually. Next, refine the content around the design. Add or edit text blocks above and below to frame the image with a clear headline and supporting copy. If the design includes a call to action graphic, remember it's part of the image, so add a real button block beneath it and link that button to your landing page. You can also link the image itself for extra click opportunities. Don't forget alt text for accessibility and better clarity if images are blocked. Wrap up with a careful preview. Use the preview option to see both desktop and mobile views. Check that the image scales cleanly, text is easy to read, spacing feels balanced, and branding is consistent. Click through every link to confirm they open the correct pages. If anything looks off, like a blurry graphic or cramped spacing, pop back into Canva to tweak the design, then re-import or adjust padding and fonts in the editor. And that's it. You've brought a Canva design into Constant Contact, refined the layout and links, and verified everything in preview so it's ready for prime time.